back to your vehicle. I don't know if y'all got enough time to spike it. Alright, northbound 281 and approaching the old rest stop coming around the curve here. Inside lane. 1355. Okay, vehicle slowing down, stand by for a bailout. Okay, vehicle just drove into a field and receive. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna have multiple subjects. We're looking probably soft count of 10 here. And eastbound. It's an agent. 622, I'm in here.
Yeah, hey. Manos arriba, no.
Probably about 20 yards in front of you right now. Go back to your right.
Go ahead, show me 1080 with that Malibu, northbound 277. He's passing people on the wrong side of the road. 1150 to road, still northbound, speeds of 110. 9, correction. He's taking 90.
50 that keeps breaking.
Back up the intersection down here, Brian. Get down, get spikes down.
He's passing on the shoulder.
Slow down, slow down. Stop.
10-4, vehicle came to a stop. He was 92 miles east of 38.
Negative Del Real, negative. No good on the spikes. 50 Del Real, still eastbound, speeds of 110.
We do have you on camera site though. Looks like he may have crashed out.
1050, bro, they're right there. They're right there. ¿Está dolorido?
Sí, poquito bien.
¿Se golpearon la cabeza? Ok. El chofer.
Alright, they're there. Hey, once they're gonna go hover. They're running the 2-track to the right.
Oh, they're filming on the recorder.
Yeah, this was, I remember that one.
Apaga el teléfono.
On that house, yellow house. Yellow, sir, ándale.
¿Hay más o no va usted? Bro, 2.
Ándale, señor. Ahí voy.